Hello everyone. So this is day 1 of a 28-day challenge of sharing and just showing up on the small changes that we are making towards slow living, non-toxic living, or gardening and growing our own food. So here my daughter is picking the first batch of cherry tomatoes. We are very happy because this is our first time growing them. They were very delicious too. We tried eating these and they are really good. One tip here is to make sure you do not overwater the tomato plants. It is enough to water them like maybe 3 times a week as per our experience. Too much water is not good for them. So yeah, we got quite a lot of cherry tomatoes for our first time trying to grow these in our own way. Thank you, and that's day 1.